the pool is also almost ready. As you can see, we are digging out the area for the pool and for the mechanics room, and it's almost done. And with the wider field of view, it's right here. So what we are doing right now is we are putting the hard stuff right here in this trench between the walls of pool and between the main retaining walls. As you can see, the excavator is right now putting the hard stuff, the soil and the rocks right next to the wall. And then they will compress it down and everything is going to be nice and leveled. This here is the ground of our mechanics room, as you can see. So they are now putting the leveling, actually everything nicely, and that's the area where the pool is going to come. So what they are doing right now, they are leveling the floor and compressing the soil. And after that step, everything is going to be ready for the concrete footings and for the concrete floor of the pool. All right, so it's another day, and the work is going so fast that I didn't capture the basics of this pool right here. So it's the 7 by 3 meters pool. It's going to be 7 meters by 3 meters wide pool with some nice steps. I don't know how to say. Yeah, steps right here. And nice little bench right here. It's going to be concrete pool, not fiberglass. And what you can see here is I'm not sure actually, kind of a material of 5 centimeters, that pink stuff, which is actually thermo insulation, because the pool is going to be heated with 13 kilowatts of power. Today they will pour the concrete right here, and here and there are going to be walls around the pool. There is going to be a mechanics room. So yes, today probably we're going to pour the concrete. I have no idea if I will be able to record it or not, but just so you can see, this right here is the main drainage out. This tube right here is for, you know, for those jets in the pool. There are going to be 3 of them, and this tube right here is for the cleaning of the pool. All the 3 tubes are going inside of the mechanics room, and the tech part of this mechanics room is going to be placed somewhere, I think here or somewhere there. So yes, this is what it looks right now. All right, so here we are inside of at the pool level. As you can see, it's very nicely leveled. At least I think it is. So yep, it's 7 by 3 dimensions from the outside, and from the inside probably around 6.5 like this, and 2.5 wide. So yes, it looks quite cool at the moment. It's fresh. So yep, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, the pool is now done. So what do we need in order to get it fully done? It's the water and the okay, all right, the tech parts and so, which is going to be inside of this room right here. And then we need the layer of ceramics, which are make it nicer, and of course everything else. But the pool is right here. Those two are two skimmers which are taking the water away into the pump, and then the water is coming back through somewhere there. Oh yeah, and the pool will have a couple of steps right here, plus the bench right here to sit and to chill and relax. It's 7x3 pool. It looks quite big at the moment. I like it. Yes. The mechanics room is ready for the concrete, or we can even say that the walls are ready to be poured with concrete. So this right here is going to be the mechanics room. I think around 5x5 in size. Yep. The pool is also almost ready. What you can see here is XPS, which is some kind of foam. I have no idea how to say it in English, but it's kind of foam that prevents the isolation, and it prevents the heat from going out of the pool, because this pool is going to be heated, and because of that it needs the thermal isolation from the outside. And this small thing right here is the hydro isolation. So yep, it looks quite cool. As I said, 7x3 meters is this pool right here.
sebom malu, evo ti veliku, zakači gosta dalje.